Patterns in landscapes, such as the spacing of sand dunes, the steepness of a hill, or the width of a river, are all indicative of landscape-shaping force balances present in nature. Because these force balances ultimately control the form of landscapes, they capture the interests of geomorphologists such as myself. For my research, I investigate the physical mechanisms that control the shape and size of river channels. So why, for a given amount of water, is a river so wide and so deep? And to do this, I look at the force balances that exist between the eroding force of water in a river's channel and the resistance to erosion of the sediments that make up the bed and the bank of the river. Using the power of Penn, we combine earth science, mechanical engineering, and robotics, and are able to, both in the lab and in the field, elucidate these fundamental physical parameters that govern the shape of rivers. From this, we're better able to understand the responses of these natural systems to human-driven perturbations and better inform decisions regarding landscape management and sustainability. Thank you very much.